Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I was taught an important lesson when I was a kid. Life is short, so eat dessert first. With that in mind, let's take some sweets and dip them into some delicious vegan chocolate hummus. Let's dive in. Bust out a food processor and we'll start with the ingredient that makes this a hummus, a can of chickpeas. Let's make this more of a dessert by adding some cocoa powder and vanilla extract. It would be pretty bitter if we left it just like this, so let's sweeten this up with some maple syrup and almond milk. Now give it a good blend until everything is smooth. And at this point, if it's a little too thick for your taste, add another tablespoon of almond milk and give it another blend. This consistency is exactly how I like it, so let's grab some goodies to dip and plate this dish. For dessert today, I got this buttery waffle cookie. We're getting all that amazing chocolatey flavor. It's super creamy and velvety, and with the chickpea base, I'd say this is healthy. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite desserts in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
A go.
Hey Nami, can I go?
Nom nom.
Hey Nami. Hi. Do you want a thing here, sweetie?